All right, guys, we are doing a massive tech unboxing for today's video. We're going to be doing 3 different cases. This is the Spigen Ultra Mag clear case. This is the Symmetry clear case by Otterbox. This is the Defender series for Otterbox, and I wanted to get 2 different brands here and do an unboxing. So, guys, let's just jump right into the video here and see what we got. So we're going to start off with the Spigen clear case. This is the Ultra Mag. This does have MagSafe on it with the white logo. And let's see what we got underneath the hood here and just see what's going on. The cool part about this packaging is that it is brand new, and this is one of the
This is kind of embarrassing, but whatever. So there we go, and here it is. Fairly minimal as far as the
packaging goes, and there it is. So this is a clear case, completely clear. Spigen has some good reviews. Unfortunately, on Amazon, Spigen has some reviews of yellowing with the case, meaning that your hand oils, I guess, can yellow the case to the point where it looks kind of bad. I like Spigen. I've known them for a long time. So this is the case itself. You're going to basically get this clear case with this packaging. This is how they kind of all do the packaging. And this is going to be something like instructions. And then here's the case itself. We have the white MagSafe on the back. I do like the construction a little bit better. I purchased another case that was by a company called HSEFO. And the power button right here on that case was just not very... It was like easily movable, and I didn't like how the buttons were just not very firm, and I didn't like it at all. So I wanted to get something like this. This was like just a few dollars more, and this actually has the buttons that are not movable. Some of the cases, you guys wouldn't believe it, they'll actually have movable buttons. Like the button, literally you can actually move it. So I'll be doing a comparison on that, but this actually has really nice buttons. I like that, and Spigen has a good brand recognition. So I wanted to get something that was actually well known. So this is the Spigen Ultra Mag case, and just so you guys can see kind of what it looks like in the actual phone itself. I do actually have an iPhone here for you guys to see, and let's see what it looks like. It does have the little blue things in it, but just so you guys can see, this is the black version of the phone, and yeah, that looks pretty good. So you got your front protection. And then definitely can see some back protection there, meaning the camera is protected. And then, of course, we do have our front protection. Yeah, that looks really good. The front is protected well enough, so if you were to actually drop this face down, you're not going to have any issues with that. And the back is protected enough. And then, like I said, these keys are really nice. So I definitely will do like a review on this for you guys a little bit later. Just kind of going over exactly what I think about the case and if I recommend it. And I will also be doing a review on if these yellow, because these are a significant price difference. So the HSEFO was like $8, guys, and then this Spigen one was about 15, 16. And then one thing I am thinking about is like this Otterbox was actually 45. So we're gonna open this up real quick and see what we got here. This one was 45, so for me personally, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm considering this one better be like much better, and as far as yellowing, I hope that's like not even a thing. So this is the Symmetry series. There is a Symmetry series that's black with MagSafe. This is not that one. I like a little bit of personality in my cases, which might be actually a contradiction from clear, but I like them clear so you can actually see the phone. This is gonna be, like I said, the Otterbox Symmetry series. Very, very, very minimal packaging with just a logo. And then you guys are probably going to look at this and go, what's the difference? And that's kind of what I'm hoping to find out. Let's see what this looks like and see if there's really any big differences. First off, right off the bat, it definitely is a nicer feel to the case. So it's definitely a case that feels more secure, more protective. We got our usual Otterbox buttons that I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just really like that. This one definitely in the hand already feels just way more like if I drop this thing, it's not gonna break. similar to what the Symmetry series would look like. So first off the bat, definitely like this a little bit more than the Spigen. Might be the same. You're just looking at, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but what we're looking at really is just more protection. So there's definitely more protection on this case than the other one. It has MagSafe and it looks good, but it also, we have probably the same front protection as the Spigen as far as that goes. Front protection is about the same. Back protection is about the same. But overall, it just feels a little bit more rubbery and feels a little bit more secure. I'm just going to tell you guys that this feels like if I were to drop this case, that it's not going to just shatter and break in front of my eyes. So that is the Otterbox Symmetry. This is definitely a little bit more. Is it worth triple or double the price? I'm not sure, but it definitely, this feels a lot like my Tech 21 that I currently have that I like a lot. I've been using it for about a year. But the problem with the Tech 21 is that I'm just kind of getting bored of it. So anyways, let's keep going with the openings of the cases. And that's this Otterbox Symmetry. And then the moment you guys have all been waiting for is the Otterbox Defender. I have another Defender version of this. But weirdly enough, I really don't, there's this curve aspect to it that I'm just not a fan of.
So I wanted to buy this, and this is like, yeah, I'm not gonna believe this. This is like $12 on Amazon for a Black Friday deal. This is gonna come with all your standard. Wow, these are all really nice and fun. Oh, I guess
Does it really matter how I open this? All right, there we go. So I'm not gonna really, let's see. So we got this, comes out of the box looking just like that. And let's see if this is what I thought it was gonna be. Very nice feel. Very nice feel. So it actually looks, this is hilarious. Looks to be the same case that I have that I don't like. So this is hilarious. So this is the Otterbox Defender series. This is going to be, the one that I wanted has this, you guys can see how this is curved, and the one that I wanted is not curved. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's literally like a tiny little slope right here. And this is hilarious. So I bought the same thing I already have, so I'll have to take this one back. But there is a curve here, and that's exactly what I didn't want. So the pictures didn't look like it had that. So I was really excited for this, but at this point it looks like that. So there is a curve here. I will be doing a review on this, but I already have this case, so I might as well just do a review of the one I already have. But it is a very nice and durable case. You can really tell here it's not going to break. There's no screen protector on it. The old ones had screen protectors that were just really marginal, didn't do a good job, and it was just like a waste of your money. This is really good, great feeling, and I think they made the Otterboxes, in my opinion, they just made these look better. So now there's just not as much BS on here. Case feels really good, and overall it's just a really great feeling case. So yeah, I will be doing a review of all of these, and while I'm doing this review, I'll just show you guys how to take this off and basically how to how it looks in the phone. But I will be doing a review of all this because it's important that I think you guys see the real differences and understand before you guys go out and buy all this stuff what it looks like. So you put the phone in there, what it looks like, and how these cases really like stand up to each other. I think that's super important. So okay, here we go. And it's definitely more of a case for somebody who is looking for that. So more of a case of someone who's looking for that extra protection. Like if you're a construction worker, this would be perfect for you. If you spend most of your time doing things that are like high velocity activities, things like that, it is kind of a chore, you know, to put this on here. And that's what Otterbox kind of intended, because they do know that this is not going to be coming off of here every day. The cool part is all the ports are ready to go. So when you do have this on your case, you're not going to have to worry about any of there being any issues with that. You guys can see this is kind of a pain in the butt. So before you buy this case, what I do recommend doing is making sure that you're kind of up for the challenge here of getting this on here. Mine is not this hard to get on here, but I am not gonna go through. Oh, there we go. So you just had to do it the right angle. So this is definitely a thicker case, very protective, great front protection. I just don't like the slope, so that's why I don't like the one I currently have. The online pictures show it without the slope, but you guys can see that there is literally a slope right there going down. It's minimal, and maybe you guys don't care, but what I look at that as is I just don't like that, because that shows me that if I drop it on the front and it happens to hit the side first, there is very minimal protection right here on the side. So as you can see, the side goes into the slope. Here is great. Here is great because that's a pretty high amount of protection, but then here, that's almost flush. I don't like that. So anyways, guys, that is the unboxing Spigen, Otterbox, and I'll be returning this Defender series. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.